Okay, 6.5, the homework, problem number 1. Let's take a look at it. The first thing I'd recommend to do is get the variable term on one side, then working in the constant on the other side. So let's go for that. So what do you get over here? You get 4x plus 4. I'm not going to read the inequality yet. I'm not going to read it until I get the x isolated. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. And what do you get there? You get x. Now, adding or subtracting anything from both sides of the inequality has no effect on the direction of the inequality. Now, what do you get on the right side? Minus 5. All right, I'm going to say it's solved. I can read it now. What does it say? X is greater than or equal to minus 5. All right. The next thing I want to do is I want to put a number line down. On the number line, I'm going to only put one number down. The number I'm going to put down is minus 5. What could x be? It could be equal to that. Our convention is to shade it in. Be careful when you read this. It says x is greater than that number, which means it's to the right. This is what's known as a graph of it. The next thing I'll do is put the intervals. I do that by looking at the graph. Where does the graph start? At minus 5. And then it continues to shade all the way out to infinity. Minus 5 is on the left-hand side, so our convention is a left square bracket. Infinity, you'll never reach it. It's on the right side, so a right parentheses. Let's look at the grade key. And I want to point out, in the grade key, you see things are being labeled over here. Interval notation, that's right over here. We do have the graph, that's right over here. The solution to it, I have that written over here. I do want to point out one additional feature. I'm putting down what's known as set builder notation. Let me write that down. You just take the solution, put a bar to the left of it. That's a symbol of a set, x, and the symbol is set to close it out. How is this read? The set of x such that x is greater than or equal to minus 5. Thank you.